Welcome, dear friend. In this video we are going to look at what is Anchor framework, and don't forget, in case you are just now, this is the first video you land on searching for Anchor, this is actually part of series of Solang Solidity for Solana development, helping you to transition as a Solidity developer on Ethereum and other EVM blockchain to using your Solidity knowledge to develop smart contracts or Solana program on Solana blockchain. So if that interests you, make sure you watch to the end of this video. And at the same time, in case you are new here, I am Solomon Foske, founder of dProgrammingUniversity, the platform we create free Web3 development courses. So if you are interested in that, to enhance you with even deep dive, a lot of other ultimate guide to simplify confusing technical things in Web3 development for you, all available for you to access free. If you are interested, make sure you check the website, dProgrammingUniversity.com, and link in the description to start taking the courses. And at the same time, subscribe, tap the notification bell, and join our Discord for support or help in any of our resources. Now, before we move on, a quick disclaimer and disclosure. Disclaimer is for us to continue to create helpful content like this, especially free. You may get support, bounty, grant, trade, invest in any Web3 project we discuss about in this video or in any of our other content. So, but we try our best to be as helpful as possible. Now, the disclaimer is, please, every of our content at the Program University, including this, is not for trading, financial or development advice, and not an advice for you to invest in any of these projects. So please always do your own research, and your continuation in this content or any of our content, the programming, means you agree that we will not be liable for any losses that you may incur there about. If you are okay with that, then let's continue in the video. Now, the major thing I want to briefly discuss about is what is Anchor framework as it relates to you as a Solidity developer coming from Ethereum and any other EVM blockchain, and now trying to expand your knowledge into why not, since your Solidity knowledge is needed there, why not just expand there? So if you want to understand what it is, actually you will have the ultimate guide. You can search for that, or Solidity for Solana development DPU, and then you go to ultimate guide to Solidity, where we have the full details that we are following in this series. So we are now moving to Anchor. What does Anchor do in relation to you as a Solidity developer wanting to develop on Solana? So basically, we have Anchor framework here. So this Anchor is a framework for building and deploying Solana programs, that's same as smart contracts, on Solana blockchain with ease using CLI, command line interface to suit. So there you understand that a lot of things goes on. You want to deploy, do all those things with a blockchain. So Anchor is the major Solana development tool that abstract away a lot of things in Rust. Rust is the default of Solana program or smart contract development before being extended to other ones like Python, C, and now to Solidity. So if you look at that, using Rust then natively is not that easy. So for Solana, it's Anchor that make it super easy. So it's just like you have JavaScript and then you have React, Next.js on those things. They make it super easy compared to just using vanilla JavaScript. So it's the same thing now. You also take advantage of when you are building Solidity, just like Rust, with Anchor, because Solang, that powers which are doing the series on, the powers that makes it possible for you to natively deploy Solidity smart contract on Solana has been integrated into Solana tools like Anchor, which makes it super easy for you to put together your smart contract in Solidity, build it, deploy it, test it, and do other things. All those things we still do as we go on, but like I told you, you need to understand this thing because you are transitioning. So we shouldn't skip things and then you just get confused. So that's why you should subscribe to the notification bell, because we go through the practical step by step. You launch your first Solidity smart contract program and all those things. I think in the coming video we'll start setting up the environment for Solana Solidity development. So make sure join the Discord, share, like the video, and if you need help, ask in comment and in the Discord, and check out the ultimate guide as well. So when you say a framework, simply means it is not the actual programming language, but a battle tested structure layer on it to make building with the actual underlying programming language much easier, following a set of tested and proven rules. Think of React on JavaScript. So that's what Anchor actually is, and that's why it's so essential for us if you are using Solidity as well, just as you are using Rust or something, to build through, because Solang is already integrated with it. So that make it super easy for us to do. So Solang as Solidity compiler for Solana can be used directly when building and deploying your Solidity program on Solana, but you might not want to go that route when you have a Ep in hand. Anchor Ep is chat away a lot of things, making it much easier. So as we progress, as we do, we'll begin to use Anchor. So that's the major thing. Even if you have found this video not actually about Solidity, but you heard about Anchor framework, that it serves the same purpose, make developing smart contract, or you call program, on Solana blockchain more super easy. And now upcoming videos we begin to use it, especially for Solidity, and how it will be. Maybe in future I may still consider also trying to do some things about Rust as well with Anchor, because I've laid my hand on some of them as well, but I'm more on this Solidity. And that's why if you have any question in your journey into Solana Solidity, let me know. And that's it for the video. Have you found it helpful? Don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell. Have any question, make sure you go and check the ultimate guide, link in the description. Take our Web3 courses, get into Discord, I'll be there. We have a dedicated Solana discussion channel in the server, which I just set up there to answer any question relating to this video series, Solidity, Solana, and all those things like that. So head on straight there, you'll be able to get support for them. So, and I'll be there to support you as well. That's it for this video. I remain Solomon Foske, and please always do good to humanity and nature with your programming and coding skill, and not evil, to make the world a better place for us all. So that's it. See you in the next one, and enjoy as you move from Ethereum Solidity to Ethereum on Solana. And it's time I want to start seeing what you build. Let's discuss in the Discord as well and push things far from there. That's it. Peace and love.